Hello, welcome fifth graders, welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful 2 week vacation. It was nice to step away from the computer. So I hope you found time to play outside, go for hikes, and spend time with people that you love. This week we're jumping right back into our work with reading and phonics. Today we're starting out kind of fun. You're going to create a snowman and you're going to choose a short piece of writing that you would like to do. It might be a poem, it might be a short story, it might be a description. Okay, you get to choose, but read through the English assignment and reach out if you have any questions. And then in our phonics work, we're going to use the same high frequency word routine that we used before break. Okay, so remember you're choosing your 5 words from the list. You'll go through the process, and the last step is where you're writing the sentences in your English notebook. Right? Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.